What is our star? Sun is a star or planet?
How many will go for star? Raise your hand.
Yeah.
How many will go for planet?
How many go for planet? Our sun is a star or planet? Star. And how the star got created? So we'll understand all this deeper knowledge how it got created. Because if you going for a research, first question is how and why. How and why? This is the main question. So sun is a star. Why star? Why star? And how it got created? How the star came? So like, do you know the Harry Potter? Harry Potter do like, okay, star happened? No, because this is a science. There is so many things, so many reasons is there, so many things has happened in behind that. From the tiny dot to here, so many that supernova explosion, high temperature and pressure, quantum energy. So many things are there. Why? If you people are very early age, very small age, but one thing remember, so just ask on your mind why this thing has happened, why sky is blue, why this that the sea's color is blue, any that light reflection, or just the color is blue, because water don't have any color. So how this color came? So this is so many things. Here's a reason behind that. So science is a you can play around this. Our today's agenda is total 10 points are there. What is Big Bang? Next, what happened after Big Bang? Next, nature impacts on the Big Bang. So what the nature impacts? So after that, why it is important? Why this Big Bang is important? That fun fact. After that, the fun fact it will come. So what is the fun? Because now I already told before session. So we'll today our session is will not read about something, some rocket science and that astrophysics. So this is our that playtime. So what is the fun fact? So we'll find some fun fact. After that, what did that universe grow? So how did the universe grow? So I some bit of overview I already gave, that how our universe growing, and day by day how it will grow, and in between what happened and what going to happen. So everything will explain that. The role of the stars and galaxies. So in universe, like in the school itself, some teacher maybe play some role. They are teaching us. Student also playing some role. They are studying there, studying here. Our principals are playing some role. In universe, stars and planets, they are also playing some roles in our universe. How our universe got created. After that, they are also playing some role. The Big Bang, the birth of the universe. So the Big Bang, the birth of the universe. So how our universe birth from that Big Bang? From a tiny dot to a vast universe. So before itself, the overview I told that the tiny dot, from the tiny dot, the vast universe. How the vast universe came from the tiny dot. So that also will go in deeper. The amazing story of the Big Bang. So what are the amazing stories? So about, we also don't know so many things about the Big Bang. So we'll go in I'm trying to make it very simple. Just follow with my path, and just ask whatever. If you don't understand, then I'll try more easy for you. Yeah. So today, so we'll conduct a two session. So, and this is not at all session. We'll play with that astronomy and astrophysics, and this is our game. Okay. Yeah. So we'll learn, and we can understand how our universe got created. How from the Big Bang to now this. Now we are sitting here. So here the journey is 13.799 billion years. That whole journey. So how that whole journey is got created, and that how made the journey when what tiny dot to here our that whole universe got created, at that expansion, and day by day it's expanding. So we'll understand that. So this is a theory of Big Bang. Big Bang theory, how our universe begins, and my dissertation paper is like in the Big Bang theory, about the theory of Big Bang. So when I was in that MBB research. So now the Big Bang theory, when one supernova explosion means it's a big blast. So if you see, it's a big blast. So, and when the Big Bang got created, before Big Bang, so everything is the quantum energy. As a quantum energy, there is a no space, and there is a fixed energy. It's called the potential energy.
ಕೆಲಸ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ
So it will be fixed. It won't move. So only this energy, it will be transferred one form to another form. So we know that. So now, when that Big Bang got created, before Big Bang was a quantum energy, only just quantum energy, and that high temp, and it will be in the tiny dot. It will be in a tiny dot, small dot. So if you say it's like that, it's tiny dot. That also, it's more, it will be quite big, but that tiny dot is very small. There is a no space and time. You cannot move here and there. If you move from place A to place B, there will be some movement is there. So few seconds will be there. So if the movement is there, there also you can say some displacement. So this much time will take. We know in our chemistry, we heard that hydrogen, right? Single molecules, hydrogen.
So
Hydrogen got created. Even that hydrogen, by the temperature and pressure, it will create that helium. And you know that hydrogen and helium, when it will come together, so it will create a blast, explosion. So it's a which you call nuclear fusion. So in our sun, so what we see in our sun, so that sun's wave, what we called, so that is called nuclear fusion. So that big wave, it will come. So you saw that, okay, so many the fires come from the sun itself, right? So that is called nuclear fusion. So now so this is the big basic understanding about the Big Bang. So from that high temperature and pressure, one blast got created. So that explosion, so which you called supernova explosion. That supernova explosion, that it will happen 13.799 billion years ago, as per that astronomers and the researchers, that prediction. So that is also, maybe it will be correct, maybe it's not. So that book, we all know that the theory of everything, which is written by Professor Stephen Hawking. For that reason, 2013 he got a Nobel Prize from the Royal Swedish Academy, and he wrote that book, and he gave that theory, that Big Bang theory. And that book, it's called The Theory of Everything. If you tried, you can go and read that book. So the theory of everything. So when that supernova explosion got created, after within fraction of second, the trillion light years it got spread, and how our universe got expand, and day by day it's expanding like a more than light speed. Do you know the light speed? Anybody know the light speed? 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter per second. That is a light speed. So light speed is the fastest. We at least recognize that. So we are keeping as a constant, the light speed is the fastest particle speed. So and that speed itself, that 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter per second. And more than light speed, our universe with expanding. Okay, so this is the main agenda our that Big Bang theory, how our universe got created. So this is a Big Bang theory. So from there, so now from here, this is a tiny dot. From this tiny dot to our that supernova explosion got started. After that, trillion light years, it will spread like this, our whole universe. And day by day expanding, expanding. Okay, so from this is a, so see this is a light. So here that tiny dot, here that supernova explosion got created, this explosion. From there the big blast happened, the supernova explosion. That explosion happened. then hydrogen and helium, it will come and it will compress together and it will create a blast. From there, the trillion light years, see the dark age. And this, the first star about that 400 million years. Okay, see that quantum friction. So I told that quantum energy, right? So there will be before Big Bang there is no such kind of thing, that no space and time. The only just quantum energy is there. So this is a, see, before Big Bang is a quantum energy. Okay. So after that, so that dark age came, means there is so after the blast itself, so it will cooling down. So some 5 to 10 million years it will took to cool down our whole universe, because everything is burning. Because that whole when that our whole universe got exploded. So that time what will happen? So everything is burning. So our sun, moon, our planets, even. So I'll go that each and every point. It's a part by part. So then you can understand. So what are the each and every topics. So after that, so this is a development, galaxies, planets, and etc. So here, see all these small dots and that the color pictures. Have you seen, right? These all are our galaxies. In between our Milky Way galaxies also is there. In this area, all the galaxies and planets. In the galaxies itself, our the solar system and solar system or planetary system, it will come under the galaxies. And here in between, total 200 billion galaxies is there in this. This is the thing, and this is the Voyager 1. This satellite, it called Voyager 1. Voyager 1, it launched 1977 from the US by NASA, Voyager 1. So now already it's 46 years. It's in deep space. Now it's in heliosphere. Heliosphere, where our sun's periphery got out. So that it will beyond that sun's periphery. So that's called the heliosphere. Okay. So this thing is a Voyager 1. So now we are going our next agenda. See what our agenda in detail. So first is, what is Big Bang? See, this is a Big Bang. See, this is the explosion time. This is the image when universe got explode. This is the image. So these all are some of the materials. Even you people wearing the materials, that gold, silver, the jewelries, it will come from the Big Bang. These are the materials. Now you are sitting at everything. Even we are standing here. Our the bone masses, we all are part of that Big Bang. If you and do you know that our the DNA structure is similar to one Big Bang, one galaxy. Even our eyes retina is a structure from our one galaxy. Is there one nebula? So our body, some of the spiritual persons, they are telling our whole body is connected with the universe or something, cosmic energy. How it will come to connected with the cosmic energy? Because we are came from the Big Bang. Our whole body and everything is connected with the cosmic energy. Okay, because we are from that part of the Big Bang part. So now, like these materials, the sands. So even that first, that amoeba. So one cell animal, that amoeba. So that inspects. So that also is come from the Big Bang. Everything is come from the Big Bang. So from the tiny dot. So when the 13.799 billion years ago, when with the high temperature and pressure, before quantum energy, from that quantum energy, it will create some high temperature and pressure. So with the temperature and pressure, it will create some hydrogen. After that hydrogen, when hydrogen is getting that high temperature and pressure, it will create helium. Hydrogen and helium, it will come together. They will create that supernova explosion, and it's a nuclear fusion. And nuclear fusion is huge. It's and in universe, everything is it's a large scale. in universe, everything in the outer space, everything it's happened is a very large scale. That is a no small scale. Okay, if some explosion is happened, so that explosion it will that create that impact from for million years. Okay, this is the thing. And so still it's expanding. Okay, expansion, the space itself. So rather expansion of space is, so it's still expanding day by day. Still our universe is got expanding day by day. So do you know this? What it is? Do you know that? What it is? Any idea?
Please guys, if you know anything, you can tell.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, no issue. So if you don't know, so it's usually expected. Maybe you don't know. For that reason, I came here. I can tell you. So please feel free. So this is our playing session. Please, do you know what it is? So you can make a note. So these are the things. Maybe in future you can use this knowledge. So this is our Milky Way galaxy. Do you know our galaxy? Which galaxy we are? Any idea?
Try money. Please try.
This is a Milky Way galaxy. Which galaxy we are staying? Though this galaxy is named called spiral galaxy. Milky Way means, so see this white area. It's like a milk. So that Milky Way. So it will come the Milky Way. That way itself totally milky. And that, see the spiral is like a spiders that they make their home, right? Okay, for that reason spiral. Okay, the spiral galaxy is, as a astronomical technical term, it's called the spiral galaxy. So what happened after Big Bang? After Big Bang, so everything I told that, see, after Big Bang the universe was incredibly hot and dense. So it hot and dense. Why it's hot and dense? Because that explosion, everything is burning. So everything is hot. So that time, do you know how our Earth got created? How our Earth, when the Big Bang happened, so that time everything is like a burning fireball. So from that fireball, so Mars and Earth they explode together, because everything is, there is a no proper place to they, there is a no orbit also, right? So they can, so room there, like sun also is burning, moon also is burning, Mercury also is burning. So there is a no proper place, no proper orbit, no proper distance. So because it's a natural selection, before going to some natural selection, when it started, got created. So that time, so there is a no center of mass, so no center of gravity, nothing is there. Okay, so that time, when Sun and Mars got collided to each other, the some collision is happened. So that time, one small fireball came from that explosion, and now we are seeing like a moon. It's lunar. Everything from that tiny dot particle it got started, and now it will come to that and this edge, so where everything is burning. So that time, so that moon got created, and day by day it's increasing, and they are going to, and they are the cooling down, some cooling down period also it will came. So when our now I'm coming to our part, this our Earth. When our Earth got created, our Earth, so have you read maybe in your book, so from fire age came first, fire age, right? In our Earth history, so we read in our the geography book, fire age came. After fire age, so there so many million years it will take. So some after that ice age came, cooling down. So everything is cooling down. So that time everything is lava, magma. Okay, so now in our core we saw so many in our Earth core we saw that that lavas are there, right? That volcanoes. From that core itself, the volcanoes it will come. Okay, so now from there itself, So from that fire age to ice age, it will took some million years. It will took some million years. So when ice age came, everything is frozen. Everything is frozen. So so in our whole earth now, for that reason, after that, again it will come to some it will take some few million years to get into the normal situation. For that reason, we saw, like in our geography book, we saw in our earth 70% is a water and 30% is a land, right? For that reason, so there is a so many inner meaning is there. So why in our earth this many the 70% is water? So we read so many things. We read that only just one thing in our earth 70% is water, 30% is land. Why? The main in the behind that, the main question is come why? Because of the Big Bang. When Big Bang happened, this supernova explosion happened, the fireball got created, that from the fireball got created, so from that earth it will come, for when the earth it will come, so that time so all the lava magmas are there, when the fire age got started, because everything is logical. When that explosion happened, then everything is burning. So burning means fire age. When it will just cooling down, so after that it will come that is a ice age. Okay, everything is cooling down. So when the frozen time came, that ice age, when that ice age to that equilibrium condition, it will come. So some few more million is because whole universe is cooling down that time. Okay, when that ice age to that normal situation came, then everything is melting down, right? That fire, what are the ice that also melting down, right? So melting down, so that where that ice, when ice is going to melting down, where it will go? It will form as a water. Okay, for that reason, so 70% water we are seeing and 30% is a land. And 30%, and how the 30% land will come? Any idea? Because from the ice age, when it will cooling down, the lava or magma. Okay, so from the lava, it's a water form or the liquid form. Okay, when frozen time came, after that when melt down, so lava is a solid form, is a magma, and that solid form is a 30% which we are seeing as a land. This is a the real reason behind that. That lava, that magma, which is got created, accumulated day by day, day by day, day by day. After that, that solid places is there where we are standing, and that is a main 30% place. If you go, if you deep into this this field itself, okay. If you go to the core, you'll get that magma. Okay, this mud and all, it will just human created, and other so many million years it will took, so many the revolutions it will come. So now all these fields and the sand and the mud and everything is you will are seeing. But basic structure is magma, water, ice. This is how our universe got created. What it is? Do you know exact what it is? It's called nebula, where the stars got created. Nebula. Do you know how to one star will form? Because in our sun also it's a star. So now he is in class 1 or 2 standard. Okay. After 10 years, maybe he will not be in that. He is a 5 or 6 year old age, right? Day by day, he is also growing. One day he is also pass out from the school, college, university. He is also going to any office or any organization or any other big institution. Day by day he is also expanding, right? By structurally, by emotionally, by physically, and you all are not the same age. How you 5 years before, how you was there, now 5 years back, 5 years after 5 years, are you in the same place? Same position, same emotionally, physically, mentally, you're in the same position? because everything is connected with that universe. Day by day we are expanding, we are growing, right? This is how our universe walk, and as well as we are connected with them, and we are also accordingly walk like that. See, man is thinking, you sir, you are thinking. So man is thinking, we are just thinking. Man is means this is a researcher, the deep thinker. He's thinking how our universe got created, how it will happen, why this thing. This is a fun fact. So universe still expanding today, just like a balloon. Balloon, if you so you people are all are celebrating your birthday, right? With making that balloon, okay, day by day. So where how much you blow and it will expand, it will expand, it will expand. One time it will blast. So our universe also going to blast. Okay, and that, yeah, that is called big crunch. You people maybe don't know, so please note it down. Big crunch will come. Our universe again, it will go to in the tiny dot. Again, we everything will going to finish. We are also going to finish, because as a man we are seeing, if anybody took the birth, definitely it will, we walk to the journey, some it's 50 years, 70 years or 100 years we took the journey, but we are going to the end, it's a death. From birth to death, and we how what we build, what we created, that's called journey in spirituality, right? And this is also, we all are created, because if one universe got created, if it's from the tiny dot, that is also going to death, like a star also going to death, which is called the black hole, which we know that as a black hole, that is a death star, that's a death star. So if one star born, that star also going to die. Even our sun also going to die. In our universe, we have 4.5 billion years there. After that, our whole solar system, it will go to the black hole. We all are putting into the black hole. 4.5 million years still. So that time we did lot of parties and lot of things we can do. We have lot of time. Okay, that time, so your so many generation will go and up and go here and there. Okay, so no money, no worries. Okay, do whatever you want, make your dreams, do party. So many things. So this time I already, the space and time, it's scratching and day by day expanding. See, the structure is expanding from there to here. It's expanding. See, role of the galaxies. These many galaxies, as an example, these all are galaxies. Where our solar system, so many millions of millions solar systems are there. In the solar system, one single solar system, we are the part. In the solar system, so many planets are there. And in the one planet, it's Earth, which we are staying. In the Earth, so many countries are there. So many countries, so many states are there. In one state is a Karnataka state, and in the Karnataka state, so many districts are there. In that district, so many villages are there. And in the village, we are standing here. See, in front of universe, we are too much small. And you people, one thing, whatever do in your life, just one small thing you understood. Here, see, from the universe, million galaxies, so many things are there. Okay, we are in front of universe, in front of galaxies, in front of cosmic energy, we are like a small tiny dot. So whatever you do in your life, so be humble. So because more than that, so many things are there in your life. If you achieve some good or something hell and heaven type of thing, but always be humble. That amazing fact, yeah, this is the last part, this is the end part. Yeah, amazing fact, from here where we are started, and again it will come like this, which will call big crunch. It will come like this, big crunch. Again, from the dot to meet a dot. Okay, that's called, it's a happy ending. Okay, everything, if you start somewhere, and in our life directly it will end, it will end, it's going to happen, it's a happy only, everything it will be closure with that happy. Okay, it's called as a happy ending. Okay, if it is not happy, so don't worry. Okay, some pictures will be there, so no need to worry. So this is the thing. So our Big Bang, it will the big crunch will come. So our again whole universe got created after some million years. This is a cycling process. Okay. So thank you. This is a nebula. With the nebula, thank you. My this session is got end just about the theory of Big Bang, how our universe got created. Maybe you enjoy this session. If any doubt, please ask. Feel free.
ಇನ್ನು 45 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, 1 ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹಾ
Today's date? Yes.
The 26th.